Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Maths. Today we are going to study from class 9 chapter 2 polynomials. In that exercise 2.5 question 6. Write the following cubes in expanded form. So we have 4 parts here. So we have to write these following cubes in expanded form. Already I have explained to you, you have the algebraic identities in your textbook. This whole algebraic identities you have to study in order to solve exercise 2.5. So here what we have to do is the cube form, what is there, that expansion form we have to write. So let's see here, cube we have the sixth identity, so x plus y whole cube. So this is the expansion form of it we have to write. If it is minus, then this form you have to write, either this or this, anyone you can write. So let's solve it quickly. So what is the expansion form of it? So x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. So now wherever x is there, we have to write this value, and wherever y is there, we have to write this value. That means our x value is 2x and y value is 1. So wherever you see x, you have to write this value, and wherever y is there, we have to write this value. So let's write the value and solve the sum quickly. So x means 2x whole cube, y means 1. Then 3 into x is 2x and y means 1. So then x is 2x plus y is 1. So now 2 3 times, what will give us? 2 3 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8, and x cube will be x plus 1 3 times will be 1 plus. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1, 6 only will get 6. Then x is there, we'll write the x. Now in bracket we have 2x plus 1. So now 8x cube plus 1 plus, now this is in multiplication form because there is no sign, means we have to multiply. So 6 2s are 12. Then x into x square plus, now 6 into 1 will be 6 and x will be x. So now you see this is not in the standard form because the highest degree 3, then next should be 2, then should be 1. So here all mixed up. So let's write down in the standard form. So next will follow 12x square. Then we'll follow 6x, then plus 1. So this is our answer. So now let's do the second one. The second one is in minus form. So we have to write down the minus form of the expansion form, that which I have already showed you. So it is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So this is the expansion form. So wherever x is there, what we have to write? Wherever x is there, we have to write in the place of x 2a, and in the place of y we have to write 3b. So wherever x is there 2a, wherever y is there we have to write 3b. So let's write down. So 2a whole cube minus y is what? 3b whole cube minus 3, place of x 2a, place of y 3b. Then in bracket, place of x we have to write 2a minus, in the place of y 3b. So now 2 3 times will give us 8. Then a cube minus 3 3s are 9. Then b cube, then minus 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Then a and b will write as it is. So in bracket we have now 2a minus 3b. Now let's write a cube here minus 9b cube minus, now 18 into 2, what will give us? 18 into 2, 6, 36. So 36. 18 into 2, 36. A into A will give us A square. Then B will write as it is. Now minus into minus will become plus. Now 18 into 3. So 18 into 3 will give us 54. So 18 into 3 will give us 54. Then A is not here, we'll write as it is. Now B into B will become B square. So now is it in the standard form? Yes. The highest degree 3, then comes 2. So this is our answer. So now let's move for the third one. Third one is in plus. So let's write down the expansion form in plus. That is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. So now wherever x is there, we have to write 3 upon 2x. Then wherever y is there, we have to write 1. So let's write down now. So in the place of x cube, we have to write 3 upon 2x whole cube. Then plus. Then where y is there, y is 1 cube plus. Then 3, x is what? 3 upon 2x into y is 1. Then in bracket we have x, that is 3 upon 2x plus y is 1. So now 3 times what we will get? 3 times, okay? Here, just 1 second. So here one mistake is there. 3 times. 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So it should be 27 here. So just make a correction. So this will be 27 B cube. Rest all are okay. So 3 times will become 27. Just correct it there. So now we'll concentrate here. So again, so 3 times will give us 27 because 3 times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27. Now 2 3 times. This is 27. So now 2 3 times. 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So will give us 8. Now x cube will be x cube plus. Now 1 cube will be 1 only plus. Now 3 3s are. This is 3 3s. Okay, just multiplying directly. 3 3s are 9. Then this 2 will come as it is. Then x. Now this is multiplication with 1. When you multiply, we will get the same thing. Same thing we will get it. So now next step. This we can't do anything. So we write as it is. X cube plus 1 as it is. Now this is in multiplication. So with this we have to multiply. So 9 3s are 27. Then 2 2s are 4. X into x, x square. Then you have plus here. So plus. So now with 1 we multiply the whole thing, or with the whole thing when you multiply 1 we will get the same number. So now let's arrange them in the standard form. So 27 upon 8x cube plus next will be 27 upon 4x square plus 9 upon 2x plus 1. So now it is in standard form. Highest degree 3, here highest degree 2, here highest degree 1, and then constant here. So this is our answer. Now for the next one also you see. This is in minus. So our expansion is x minus y whole cube, which is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So now in the place of x, what we will write? So in the place of x we have x only, and in the place of y we have 2 upon 3y. So this is what we have to place now. So wherever x is there, we'll write x cube minus, in the place of y, we have to write 2 upon 3 y whole cube minus 3 into x is x only and into y is 2 upon 3 y. So in bracket, now x is x only, place of y we have 2 upon 3 y. So now x cube will remain as it is minus, now 2 times 3, 2 times, sorry, 2 3 times, so 2 3 times, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so 8. Now 3 times, 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so it will be 27. Then y cube, now minus 3 into x will be 3x, but now this xy, let us leave it, here 3 you see, here 3 is there, here 3 is there, so we can cancel this. Now what we have is 2, we have x, y we have, so 2x, y. Now in bracket, we'll write as it is, 2 upon 3 y. So now x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus, now with 2x, here no number, we don't have anything, we have only 2 here, so let's write down 2. Now x into x will become x square, y is not here, so we'll write as it is y. Now minus into minus will become plus, then 2, here we have 2 upon 3. So now what we will do, 2 2s will become 4 upon 3. Now we have x here, so let's write down x. Y into y will become y square. So now is it in standard form? Yes. So this is our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.